This is where we have been. Race Agro Farms and Services. So this has been the project we have been working on recently for the clients. So in mulch and irrigation. So the reason why you've seen it is like this is because we divided the mulch into two. So it was not just I think the wideness of the mulch is 1.2 meter. So we had to even divide it into two. So for the clients, so it was an ethic work under the sun, and at least 1 acre of the farm has been set up. So we still have another section here, about 3 acres is the farm. So you can see, see it's here like this, see like this, like this. So we still have it down. So we still have about 3 plots down. Then we have another 1.5 acres down here. So for your mulch setup and irrigation setup, you can always reach out to Rains Agro Farms and Service for the farm setup.